Alright, so here's some drone video of that total high-speed truck I was talking about in the last video. And that's all they do. They just sit up there in the air in the bucket and look at some kind of monitor. And the guy on the ground's kind of looks like he's sitting watching a monitor. And they told me they were doing government testing, but they wouldn't say what for or what the purpose was. And they've come back to the exact same spot, which is in front of my house, 3 different times that I know of. And then the last time, which was Friday, there was, instead of just these 2 guys, there were there were 5 vehicles altogether, so there were at least 3 other people. And anybody knows, let me know.